Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we'll learn some important concepts in SQL. Okay, from basics to advanced we'll learn in step by step we'll learn because in this video we learn the only concepts one we learn from, that is basic, from data. Okay, first see here. First we have to learn what is data, right? I hope you guys know already this what is data, but still again you have to know what is meant by data and where we use this data. Like data is a some collection, it is a information, it is having a information, any information we can call as data, right? And sorry, data is a useful information, we can call it as a useful information, and all the data it is stored in some way, some other centralized location, we can call as data, right? Data is a useful information and we can store anywhere. And again later, what is the database? And what is the database? What is the difference between data and database? Right? Database, it is also a useful information which is organized. But data, there is no rules and regulations. Like data can be anything, but database having some rules, some certain set of rules. We can call as database. For example, SQL is also a database, right? It is having certain rules. We have to follow that. So database is also a set of rules and regulations, and it is a useful information. And what is meant by database management system? What is meant by DBMS? Right? DBMS is a collection of programs. It is a combination of programs. DBMS is a combination of programs which is in order to which is written in order to manage the database. For managing the database, we are using the database management system. It is having set of rules, many of like n number of n number of programs. Database management system, it is like one memory. It is having more than so many databases. For return, in order to return, in order to manage the database, we are using the we are go for DBMS. Okay, now in DBMS there are some rules and there are some types also. Okay, we learn relational database. In DBMS there is a type called relational database. See, what is meant by relational database? Relational database is a collection of data. It is a collection of data, is organizing some set of rules, is known as DBMS. And in DBMS, all the data are stored in the form of tables. In DBMS, all the data are stored in the form of tables, that is rows and columns. Okay. And what is meant by database vendors? We learn the relational database and we have to know what is meant by database vendor. SQL also is a database vendor. Vendors are the those who manufactures their own database and sells it. So we can call as database vendors. The those who manufactures their own database and sells it, we can call as database vendors. Okay. Now what is the entity? Entity means each and every table we call as entity. Okay. See, like entity, it may be a column name and table name we call as entity. But what is mean by attributes? Every table name and every column names we call as entity. But what is the attributes? What are the data? What is the data present in the table? We call as attributes. We call as an attributes. Like Any data you can take in table we call as attributes other than column names and table names. Okay. So in this video, I hope you guys understood every concept. If you get any doubts, please comment. I'll clarify. Please guys go and subscribe my YouTube channel and please active the bell icon also for some other notifications. Okay, I'll end up this class. We'll in another class in next video we'll learn what is aliasing and some other concepts also we'll learn. Okay. Now for this in this video this is enough. I think you guys understood the concept and I'll end up this class. All of you take care. Bye bye.